Hare Krishna. English language is a third class language, very low level language. Sanskrit word dharma doesn't have an equal meaning in English language. If you Google what is dharma, you will get kind of faith or being religion. But dharma is not a kind of faith, because faith can be changed always. Today I may be Hindu, tomorrow I can be a Christian. Today I may be following some political party, tomorrow some other political party. So faith keeps changing, but dharma doesn't change. Dharma is always there with a living being. For example, sugar, dharma of sugar is sweetness. Dharma of water is liquidity. Dharma of mirchi is being spicy. Similarly, dharma of living being is loving and serving someone. It is not being human, it is not a kind of faith, it is not a being religious, being Hindu, not being Indian. Dharma means loving and serving someone. Just like we cannot separate sweetness from sugar, similarly we cannot separate this loving and serving tendency from living being. It is there for everyone, birds, animals, human beings, everyone. This loving and serving tendency is there. Just like we all love someone and we serve them. Whomever we love, we serve them. Whomever we serve, we love them. So this serving and loving tendency is always there with us. It cannot be separated from us. Now, what is Sanatan Dharma? Sanatana means eternal. Sanatana Dharma, eternal Dharma, is loving and serving Krishna. That is the meaning of Sanatana Dharma. Hope everybody got clear with this. If anybody has any questions, we can have. Thank you for hearing. If we don't know what is Dharma, we cannot practice Dharma. And then what to speak of preaching Dharma. Hare Krishna.